You're not getting your drink. Go.
Oh!
Yo, what is up, guys? It's Ripped Robbie.
And Elegant Elliot.
And today we're going to be taking my truck and we're going to be doing some train horn trolling. Alright, go ahead.
Hold on. Alright, get his ass.
Are you feeling?
Yeah, hold on, not yet. Alright, go ahead. Go ahead. Sheila. I don't know, but hopefully they don't throw it. I don't know. Yeah, wait till they pass by the window. Now.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. A real gangster ass nigga plays his cards right.
Alright, hit it, bro, hit it. Yeah.
A large Dr. Pepper.
Alright, I'm recording right now.
Alright, you can. Should I do it before or after?
I don't know.
I think before, because she'll notice the camera. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, bro. The camera's been rolling. Rolling and ready.
201. You're not getting your drink. Go.
Oh! Oh!
Fucking bitch!
That's what happens when you prank.
Oh my!
They get kind of mad. That just might be the beginning of this prank. Look at that, it's all over the... They are really serious about they don't like train horns. Look at that. Soak this man's truck. They are not playing. He's soaked. They got mad, they got train horns.
I got the straw though, it's okay.
We can sip it up off the floor and shit. Let's see what's going on. Damn!
Look at the steering wheel.
Oh my god.
They weren't playing. Don't train horn Taco Bell employees. They don't play.